Here's Mimico AI friend chat. So here it is. So dynamic characters, unrestricted chatting, your AI friend, endless topics, infinite fun, multi-role chatting. It's a wonderful software that provides you with an interactive experience with virtual characters. Interacting with virtual characters like finding pen pal who understand your sense of humor, diverse character choices, multi-topic dialogue, support custom characters, picture and video function, amped multiple AI interfaces. So here you just have that. And this is one of those alternative AI chatting apps. And here you have it. You just go and create your account, your gender. Then you can just select this, and then you can just generate the account. So then you can see here is the overview. Lifetime $40, so pretty good price for a lifetime. $5 weekly seems okay as well. And then here is you have the overview, you have memory, you can send pictures, you have some text suggestions, and then you only have like 10 messages for free. And then you can see the images, you can see the VIP in here. You can see 3 dots, you can pin chat, clear history from here. So all the basic functions are here. Then there is a me profile. And that's basically the idea. Also, you can create your own bot in here. So yeah, there you have it.